Hey everyone, welcome back to the 58 Corvette. Today, we're going to take a look at the convertible top. Now, the top itself is not in great condition, but all the brackets, the mounting points, the mechanism is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this together, give you a little demo of what it looks like, and we'll work from there. Gonna make the difference. Okay, so that's not ventilation, that's a hole. Top is not in the greatest condition, but again, it's here. All the hardware, I believe that needs to be repaired. Yeah, that needs to be repaired. Here, the brackets all fit in. It has a whole different look. But yeah, I'll take a look at the other side. Yeah, hardware's here. Hardware's here. You know, it does need work, but it's here. Some people have said, hey, where's the hardtop? There was never a hardtop. My parents didn't have one. In the early videos, there was a hardtop from their 57 Thunderbird that they used to put with a blanket over it when it was stored in the garage. That went to a new home. Yes, it got reused by somebody. It was not just thrown in the trash. I do remember a story that my dad was gonna quote unquote cut it down to fit. They made hardtops. I don't know if it was just a option of not buying one, or it wasn't available, or it just wasn't needed, but man, that top has seen some better days. And I guess, you know, the yellow plastic window, yeah. But for the next owner of this car, just want to show you what we have, because man, it doesn't look bad with the top. It's a different whole thing, but yeah. So that's it. Put the top back. I'll show you how it works. Just unlatch these little pegs underneath. Holds it there. And there is a... I can't do it without my head in the car. Okay. So yeah, there's... I might just do the strap there. Boop. See? That one. Come around the car. That one. And latch underneath. See that little hook? That hook releases from the back side of the top. There's two of them, one there and one there. Let these latch into it. So then you just fold up, push the secret button. storage. Nice and solid. I'm not a Corvette expert. I don't know if anything's supposed to be in here. This looks like something that was glued in and it's deteriorated over time. But yeah, so I can take this. I'm gonna fold it back. I have to get to the other side where it's ripped on the top to fold it back. As a child, I saw it with the top up, with the top down. Yeah, it looks like there's a plate here that was put here to hold this in place. And obviously that's not the right thing, but it broke. But next owner, please have fun with this car. Take care of it and enjoy it. Man, oh man. The little straps come in, lock into place. So, jumps in. Little strap would button into place right there. Other strap is missing its little rivet, but it would pop there. Yeah, and that's it. Got the keys. Locks the glove box, which is right here. A very cool. My goodness, I can't open it. Yeah, there you go. Still has its factory stickers. Nothing in there, no money. But yeah, so the lock opens this, the ignition and the doors. As you mentioned, next time we're gonna get into the trunk. It's easy to get into because there's no lock, but in the trunk, oh my goodness, we got a box of parts to go through. We're gonna go through them, set them on the table, show you what comes with the car and what's in that box. So, next time, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying these videos, and we'll see you next time.